In this video, I'll talk about compound subjects and verbs. A compound subject is when there are two subjects. They're usually joined with a conjunction, such as and. So you have two words, subject, subject, and then followed by a verb that matches the subjects here. Because you have two, this will be plural, and the verb will also be plural. Here are some examples. Sarah and Jim like movies. So here you have the compound subject, and this verb is plural to match the plural subject, the compound subject. The shirt is clean. Here you have one subject and then a matching verb. I can add another noun and make this a compound subject, the shirt and the jacket, and then the verb be becomes are. The shirt and the jacket are clean. So here you have just one subject, the shirt is clean. Here you have two subjects. This is the compound subject. The shirt and the jacket are clean. Notice that when the pronoun I is used as part of the compound subject, it goes after the first part of the subject. So my friends and I are going out tonight. Here's the compound subject, and then here's the verb phrase that matches the subject. She and I are meeting at the club. This is the same thing. Here's the compound subject. I goes after this first pronoun. They're both subjects, but together they form the compound subject. And then here's the verb that matches the subject. In many compound subjects, there's one adjective that is used for each item in that subject. So fresh fruit and vegetables are available in the produce department. This adjective, fresh, is used for fruit and it's used for vegetables. It is possible to say fresh fruit and fresh vegetables are available in the produce department, but you can save some time by using this for both words in the compound subject. Jim is working tonight. Here's the subject, and then here's the verb in the present continuous tense. We can use a compound subject and add another person. Jim and Bill are working tonight. So here are two people in the position of the subject, and then here's the verb in the present continuous to match the subject. It is possible to identify one person here, take this out, and use or. Jim or Bill, and then here, because it would be only one person, this changes to is. Jim or Bill is working tonight. It would sound better to add the word either before the compound subject. Either Jim or Bill is working tonight. This indicates that there is a choice between Jim or Bill. Notice that the verb matches one person in the position of the subject. The battery, the tires, and the wipers have to be replaced. Here in the position of the compound subject are three things, and they're in a series. So it's necessary to put a comma after battery and tires. The battery, the tires, and the wipers. And the verb, this helping verb, have to, matches the subject. The entire verb phrase is in the passive voice. So here's the main verb, and have to is similar to the modal verb must.